You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Canadian rapper and singer name pronunciation. More names of celebrities from music. Make sure to stay tuned. Alright, let's break it down. Tory, you probably already knew that. Tory. Now his last name is said as Lanez. Yes, just like Lanez. I know it looks like it should be said as Lanez or Lanez or Lanez. No, Tory Lanez. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.